Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make rusks. Rusks is an important part of South African tradition. Today I will show you a healthy version with bran. This is a family recipe that came from my grandma's beds. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. You will need the following: 1 kilogram of self-raising flour, 375 milliliters sugar, 4 cups of bran, 500 grams of margarine, 3 eggs, half a cup of dried coconut, half a cup of raisins, 500 milliliter buttermilk, half a cup of mixed seeds, 5 milliliter salt and 10 milliliter baking powder. Mix the flour, bran, salt, baking powder, dried coconut, seeds and raisins. Melt the butter and mix in the rest of the ingredients. Add the butter mixture into the dry ingredients. Add the mixture into the prepared baking pan. If you don't have a rusk template, you can use a knife to cut it into pieces. Bake for 50 minutes. Let it cool down and cut into pieces. Set your oven to 80 degrees Celsius and let it dry overnight. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.